Ek hou meer nog steeds van die ander wat daar aan die kant hang. Daar is reg. Ja, is reg. Sit die koppie in?
Mama kan daar genoeg goed zijn.
Ek weet, sit die koppie in.
You're just understanding.
Okay, so we had to spoil ourselves as well.
See what I've got for my dad. So I got him this beautiful packaging. And then I've got him this Dad Joke Champion cup. He loves to drink coffee, so why not? And then I got him a chocolate, and I'm just gonna add some things in this thing. So yeah.